We have submitted this video as a part of National Innovation Contest of Ministry of Education, Innovation Cell and AICTE. The team lead for this proposed work is Mr. Aditya Balaji. He is presently working as assistant professor at School of Tripoli, Rewa University, and has 3 years of teaching and 2 years of industry experience, and currently pursuing his PhD in renewable energy. The team members are Manish Bharat and Hari RK. Manish Bharat is also presently working as assistant professor at School of Tripoli, Rewa University. He has over 8 years of teaching experience and is currently pursuing his PhD in power electronics. Mr. Hari RK is working as a lab instructor at School of Tripoli, Rewa University, and has 4 years of experience. The mentor for this proposed work is Dr. V. Leela Vinodhan.
This is one of the unique kind of DC bulb which we have developed here. So normally the DC bulb the AC bulb which we have in our home it runs on the AC to DC conversion. So the conversion device is inside this bulb and it generates a lot of heat and losses are there, and the efficiency of the bulb over a period of time reduces, and it is a single purpose bulb. You cannot use it for any other purpose. Now this is a multi-purpose bulb, and here this is a completely DC bulb, and the conversion which has to happen, we are making it outside. For example, this is a mobile charger. Everyone has a mobile charger in their home. So now we are going to use this mobile charger to power up this 3-watt LED bulb. So you can see the bulb has been powered on. Okay, so now this charger circuit is converting the 230 volts to AC, and the conversion part is happening over here. So there is no heat loss or any type of conversion loss which will happen inside the bulb, which will actually result in the reduction of efficiency. So it is not going to happen. Now the second step what we are going to show this bulb can be used as a portable lighting in rural villages. So I'll just remove this and I'll use this USB pin, and this is a power bank which everyone has nowadays in their home also. So I'm going to connect this to the power bank, and you will see the bulb can be powered on with this also. So I've connected it, the bulb is on. So the main intention of making this product is for the rural village where portable lighting can be used, and this just 3 watt. You can go on with 5 watt, 9 watt also.